We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, I am Professor Desai from GIDC Degree Engineering College, NAVSARI. Today we will see the application of Gauss law in terms of point charge, or we can say that we will see the proof of Gauss law. Okay, for that you have to consider this figure. This figure is in terms of spherical coordinate system. Here we not draw the whole coordinate system, but we draw only some part of the coordinate system like this. This is the some part of the coordinate system. Okay, inside that you have to consider one small differential surface, this one, that is the ds. One small differential surface you have to consider, that is the ds, at point P. The radius of the particular sphere is a. And our point charge is at origin, that is at 0. Here we see that the normal of that point P is AR bar, and the direction of dr is also in the direction of normal, that is AR bar. So this one is up to the figure. Now as this is a spherical coordinate system, we have to consider the equation of ds. Of a spherical coordinate system. So what is the equation of ds for the spherical coordinate system? That is ds is equals to r square sin theta d theta d phi. But here the radius r is equals to a, so we have to replace r with a. Therefore ds is equals to a square sin theta d phi. Now this ds has both magnitude as well as direction. So when there is a magnitude and direction both are present, the particular terminology is known as the vector terminology. So here ds, we can write this ds in the form of vector. So ds bar is equals to ds into an bar. Now what is the value of ds? That is a square sin theta d phi. Therefore a square sin theta d phi into AR bar. Now we all know the equation of d bar for the point charge, which we studied earlier. So what is the equation of d bar for the point charge? That is d bar is equals to q upon 4 pi r square into AR bar. But again we have to take the radius r is equals to a, so we have to replace that r with a. Therefore q is equals to, therefore d bar is equals to q upon 4 pi a square into AR bar. Now we all know that if you want to write the dot product, then how can you write it? Suppose if you want to write a bar into b bar, so what is the equation of a bar into b bar? That is the a bar into, or a bar dot b bar is equals to mod of a bar mod of b bar cos theta. Same way here d bar dot ds bar is written as mod of d bar mod of ds bar cos theta. Same, this is from this equation. So, what we can write? We have the equation of d bar, we have the equation of d bar, we have the equation of ds bar, and we have the theta. We will come on theta later on, but first put this the value of this particular d bar and ds bar. Therefore, d bar into ds bar is equals to q upon 4 pi a square into a r bar, this is the value for d bar, into a square sin theta d phi into a r bar, this is the value of ds bar into cos theta. Now, this a r bar, this a r bar into a r bar, the value is 1. Therefore, q upon 4 pi a square into a square sin theta d phi. Over here, now we will see the what is the value of theta. The value of theta is totally the angle between d bar and a r bar. But what over here, the direction of a r bar, or we can say that the direction of d bar is in the direction of a r bar. So, angle between d bar and a r bar is what? 0. Therefore, we put over here what? Cos 0. Now, what is the value of cos 0? That is the 1, and this a square is supposed to be cancelled. Therefore, q upon 4 pi sin theta d phi. Now, what d bar into ds bar indicates? The d bar into ds bar indicates psi. Therefore, psi is equals to, this one is the differentiation. So, to remove it, what we can write? Close integration with respect to surface d bar into ds bar. So, how many integral present over here? Actually, there are two integrals present over here. First one is for d theta and second one is for d phi. Therefore, integration phi, okay. It is a fixed limit for phi and theta. The limit for phi is 0 to 2 pi. The value of theta is 0 to pi. So, put the limits for phi and theta, that is phi is equals to 0 to 2 pi, theta is equals to 0 to pi, q over 4 pi sin theta d phi. Therefore, now we do the integration with respect to theta and phi. So, this q over 4 pi is constant. So, take it outside. Therefore, q over 4 pi integration phi is equals to 0 to 2 pi d phi into integration theta is equals to 0 to pi sin theta d theta. Now, what is the integration of 1 with respect to phi? That is the phi, and what is the integration of sin theta? That is the minus cos theta. Put the limit 0 to 2 pi and 0 to pi. So, over here 2 pi minus 0, q over 4 pi 2 pi minus 0, over here minus cos pi minus plus cos 0. So, 2 pi minus 0 2 pi, the value of cos pi is minus 1 and the value of cos 0 is 1. So, 1 plus 1 2. So, this one is supposed to be cancelled and at the end you get the answer q. So, here what you get, that is psi is equals to q. So, what your Gauss law says, or what is the statement of your Gauss law? What is the statement of your Gauss law? The statement of your Gauss law is the electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to the total charge enclosed by that surface. So, over here we proved that the electric flux psi is equals to total charge q. That is it. Hope all of you are understand it very well. Thank you.